Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Glenda and you're back to another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the notification bell and select all so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. On today's video, I am showing you how I make my curry chicken flavored rice. You guys have had rice-a-roni and different other flavored rice. So here's how you're gonna make it on your own. I use jasmine rice. Use whatever rice that you are comfortable with. The seasonings that you're going to need is definitely some curry powder. I also put a little bit of turmeric in mine. And then of course I use rice. Move that out the way. Some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, because that's where you're going to get your chicken flavor from. And then I'm going to use some Goya Sazon Total, the perfect seasoning. Again, you want to season to taste and use the seasonings of your choice, but make sure that it includes the curry, because you can't call it curry chicken flavor without the curry. And also make sure that it has your chicken bouillon flavoring. So in the big girl, we have 3.5 cups of of water that's simmering. So it's been about 10 minutes. I wanted you guys to see what the curry chicken flavored rice looks like. And again, it looks like it's white on the camera, but it is definitely a yellow look. And what you're looking for is for your water to be gone. That's what you want. You want your water. You want your water to be gone. So what I normally do is take the back of like a wooden spoon and I just create like a little well, and you'll feel it's tight in there. You see all your water is gone? That's how you know you want to go ahead and cut it off, and it's done. So that took about 10 to 15 minutes with this jasmine rice to cook. You want to let it sit for a little bit, and then you'll come back and fluff it up. And then you have some nicely flavored curry chicken flavored rice. I wish that you guys could see the actual color of this. I'm so sorry that the camera doesn't show you what it looks like, but my husband can justify it. It's not white or brown. It's definitely yellow. Okay.
And I'm definitely gonna eat
it. Okay. So we'll be back and show you what it looks like to fluff it up, but it is definitely done. We're gonna put the top on it and let it sit for maybe another 5-10 minutes. Be back. Okay, so let's fluff up our rice. Y'all check this out. Ooh, look at that rice. Ooh, always just kind of go around like so and bend it on into the middle. Y'all, that is some good rice. You could just, if you have a fork, you can just fork through it. Even going up to the middle, just bring that through. And there is your curry chicken flavored jasmine rice. or whatever rice you chose to make. But I just want you to see how fluffy it is. I promise you it's nice and flavorful. Taste a piece of it off the back of the spoon. So, if you would like to see more videos like this from your girl, make sure that you are subscribed. That's all you have to do. Click the notification bell. Make sure that it's selected all. Listen, YouTube be unsubscribing people on the cool. I found that out this morning. I was unsubscribed from my own church website. I had to resubscribe. So make sure that you are subscribed and that you have clicked that notification bell. And we will see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda. We love you and be blessed. G Squad out.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. Make sure you try out these recipes and you post them on our social media sites, and make sure you tag us. And we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.